Hello, I am Nilanjan Mukherjee.
And I am Tanmay Haldar.
This is our first Python project. We are the students of IEMLabs. We are doing our first, we choose calculator as our first Python project. We are doing this project which helps us to take two numbers and perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division with remainder and percentage calculation. We have used Jupyter Notebook Python 3.8 version. This is our first project and further we will try to implement more advanced operations. Now we are going to explain our project. First, we take a welcome line. After that, we take operator as a variable. After that, we take num1 and num2 in for for user input. In After that, we take five functions: subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, percentage. In subtraction, we use loop function, and in division we use reminder and result function for users easiness.
After that, we use if else for calling the function and user easiness. We are going to example some operations.
This project was created by Nilanjan Mukherjee
And Tanmay Haldar.
under the supervision of IEMLabs. Thank you and appreciate for your time.